I am so happy and grateful now that money comes to me in increasing quantities through multiple sources on a continuous basis. Discipline is giving yourself a command and following it up with action. Start with the end in mind. If you want to be a millionaire, talk like one, act like one, work like one. Don't be a victim of negative self-talk, remember you are listening. Faith and fear both demand you believe in something you cannot see. You choose. A mentor is someone who sees more talent and ability within you than you see in yourself, and helps bring it out of you. By thinking about your goals every morning, many times during the day, and every night, you begin moving toward it, and bringing it toward you. Set a goal to achieve something that is so big, so exhilarating that it excites you and scares you at the same time. What do you really want? Sit down and write it out on a piece of paper. Write it in the present tense. Anyone that ever accomplished anything, did not know how they were going to do it. They only knew they were going to do it. The subconscious mind cannot tell the difference between what's real and what's imagined. The law of attraction is always working whether you believe it or understand it or not. When you react, you are giving away your power. When you respond, you are staying in control of yourself. Handwriting causes thinking. The repetition of writing your goal every day will increase your awareness. The true purpose of a goal is to help you grow. You can have anything you want. You just have to decide what you want and do everything it takes to get it. You are God's highest form of creation. You are a living, breathing, creative magnet. You have the ability to control what you attract into your life. The fear of making a decision is the result of fearing to make a mistake. The truth is, the fear of mistakes has a greater impact on you than making the mistakes. To believe in the things you can see and touch is no belief at all. But to believe in the unseen is both a triumph and a blessing. Don't be an extra in your own movie. Move out of your comfort zone. Don't be afraid of feeling uncomfortable or awkward. Step out and make it happen.